Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add beat to your music audio and match card on your video. Alright, select the video you want to match card, and I'm just going to add the music available here. So I want to add and just for duration and the same length, and how to add beat to the music. You are just going to click the music and select the beat, auto beat, select beat 2, so you can see for the beat icon here, and how to make cuts with the video. You are just going to add this, click the video and make sure on the beat icon and split the clip. Alright, do as before until finish the video. So you can add the speed option to all the clip. For instance, select the speed, select curve, select the placing, so as add to all the clip. Yes, you like. So that's how to add beat and match card on your video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.